and Katende Muhammad. Begin with Ashraf, age 29, resident of 29 years, resident of Kazo Central 2, that is in Nasa municipality. He is a driver and owns a special hire. He's a brother to the applicant. And on telephone number 0792 50.
Okay, so the other one is okay.
0792 508517.
That is your signature. That is inciting violence. Your worship, this matter. In this matter, the accused were arrested when they attacked police officers. And we are mobilizing other members of the public who also attack the officers. Considering the nature of the period that we are in, being a political season, should the accused persons be granted bail, they may commit similar offences, first against the officers and other members of the public. Hence causing insecurity and maybe to loss of life. So for that reason, we say that their applications are not granted. Secondly, some people have not yet been arrested, as it is very clear on the charge sheet. But there are other members who are still at large, who are arrested. So should the accused persons be granted bail, they may interfere with that process and thus sabotage the smooth running of the matter. Some applicants have not provided any documents to show that they have fixed places of their vote, like A1, A2,
Bisa Atanas,
12 and 7.
Tambah Siraj,
12. So it may be hard to locate these accused persons once they are granted bail. And should court be inclined to grant bail,
naye kkooti weegeze mu maaso n'okusaba kuno okweyigirirwa
we pray for stringent terms
asaba mu tekiko obukwakkulizo obw'amaanyi
to enable the applicants
kibasobozesemu abasabi
return to court for their trial.
olwokugenda kkooti okwongera okukozesebwa.
We so pray.
This worship will briefly in rejoin that there are just people who are presumed innocent.
Abida amategeeza kkooti nti sawa zibalamukulisensa
Until the state finds them guilty. Yeah.
The state does not find she proves.
Until she proves them guilty after a year.
mpaka mugolo lwali
And the worship, the accused people have a right to personal liberty
era abida amategeeza okunyuma eddembe lyammwe ng'abantu
pending the hearing and the determination of this matter.
omusango nga
Worship, the state has clearly said their investigations are still ongoing. And she clearly says there are some people still at large.
era abida amategeeza kkooti nti sitategeeza kkooti oba abalala banafunibwa
She has not stated when they can be home.
era tategeeza kkooti ddi gye banaafunibwa.
The worship keeping the accused people on remand.
Abida amategeeza kkooti okukomera mu kkomera
May be invading of their personal liberty.
batuyimiridde eddembe ng'abantu.
Your worship, the offense is charged with the accused people are bailed by the Senate court.
era amategeeza kkooti omusango gw'okunaamisa ogw'enyumirwa kkooti.
This court can only find whether these offenses are grave or not after the proof.
Era nti kkooti emubeera kiri nasobola musango amaanyi alooka wabuleetebwa
Which will take some time.
ekiti ky'enfaawo.
And your worship, the prosecution has not, the prosecution has not in any way challenged the suit is presented.
Era ategeeza kkooti nti olubuto lwabwe lwewakanyizza ku bayima bemwogeze mu kkooti.
And both the sureties and the accused people understand and clearly abide to ensure that the accused people appear in court.
Era abalina abayima bemuleese bategedde bulungi emirimu gyabwe balina okukola ekikugamba nti mujja mu kkooti kkooti weereekanze.
And the accused people, as well as the sureties, know the consequences of absconding.
Era